Hi friends, in this video we are going to solve the problem on rotor speed.
For example, my next question, a three-phase, four-pole, 50 Hz induction motor, three-phase, four-pole, 50 Hz induction motor, rotating at slip of 20%. Rotating at slip of 20%. This is my statement. Now the question. How they are asking question. First question. What is my rotor speed at full load? What is my rotor speed at full load? Actually, we have a formula. NR is equals to NS into 1 minus S. What is NS? Tell me what is NS for 4-pole 50 Hz, 1500 RPM into 1 minus 20%. 20%. So what is answer? 1500 into 80 by 100. 1500 into 80 by 100. The answer is 1200 RPM. Actually, this is the procedure. But don't go for all these. Directly we can get the answer. Tell me what is slip they given? 20%. What is synchronous speed? 1500. What is the value? 20% in 1500. 20% of 1500. 10% nothing but 150. 20% nothing but 300. In 1500, 10% nothing but 150. 20% nothing but 300. So 300 is slipping speed. My synchronous speed is here. My rotor speed is 300 RPM slipped. Nothing but 1500 minus 300. 1500 minus 300, 1200. 1500 minus 300, 1500. Very easy answer. 1500 minus 300 is the 1200 RPM. So slip is 20%. 20% slipping. 20% nothing but 300. 1500 minus 300, 1200 RPM. Second question. What is off-load rotor speed? Off-load rotor speed. My full load rotor speed 1200. What is off-load rotor speed? Don't say 600. If load decreases, speed increases. Right. Tell me. What is my full load slip? 20%. What is my off-load slip? My off-load slip is the 10%. Yes or no? Full load slip 20%. Off-load slip 10%. Now tell me, what is my rotor speed? My rotor speed, I am giving you directly. My rotor speed 1500 minus how much percent slip here? How much percent slip here? The slip is 10%. What is 10% of 1500? What is 10% of 1500? 10% of 1500 is 150, sir. So what is answer? 1350 RPM. 1350 RPM. See how the easy. So these are the way of questioning they are asking. Another question. They are asking another question. They simply say that a three-phase 50 Hz induction machine, three-phase 50 Hz induction machine, rotating at 10% of slip, find the maximum rotor speed. Find the maximum rotor speed. Tell me. Find the maximum rotor speed. Three-phase 50 Hz induction machine, rotating at 10% of slip. Rotating at 10% of slip. Find the maximum rotor speed. Sir, insufficient data. Is it insufficient data? Yeah, tell me. I give you options. Option A, 900 RPM. Option B, 1350 RPM. Option C, 2700 RPM. Option D, none. Tell me which of the following is correct answer. A three-phase 50 Hz induction machine running at 10% of slip. Find the maximum rotor speed. Sir, there is no poles, sir. What is this question? There is no number of poles. Yeah, there is no number of poles. You have to assume. at which number of poles we can get maximum speed. If for 2 poles, the synchronous speed is 3000. For 4 poles, 1500. For 6 poles, 1000. So, at which number of poles we can get the maximum speed? For maximum speed, the number of poles should be 2. Yes or no? Other than this, there is no possibility, sir. Actually, these 3 are the correct answers. But this is for 6 pole, this is for 4 pole, this is for 2 pole. So, what is actual answer? C. Why? For 2 pole, my synchronous speed is 3000 RPM. For 2 pole, my synchronous speed is 3000 RPM. That is the maximum speed, sir. Now tell me, what is slip they given? Slip is the 10%. What is 10% of 3000? The 10% of 3000 is 300. Now tell me, what is rotor speed? 3000 minus 300. 3000 minus 300 is the 2700. Is the 2700. Very easy. Like that they are asking questions. Right? These are the questions on speed equations.